Are you happy with what you get paid?
Oh my God, Faridun. Put it down, put it down. No such thing as subtlety with Faridun. He gets right to the point. Tell us,
I'm just
Ahana, how
asking.
much you're getting
This
paid.
is
Tell us.
this is what your fan is hoping for as well.
Hi, ma'am, we have this role for you. The first line that follows that is, there are no budgets.
No budget.
And then my mother just called me up randomly and she said, "Ki oh, tera show news mein aa raha hai." I'm like, "Oh, okay, cool."
So Sami and I went out on a date. I should tell people right now. So we were sitting the whole time. The whole time she ignored me and saw the Mumbai Indians match playing behind me.
No, but I apologize to it. It was a very dear friend of mine who was batting. So, it's like...
There is any negative comment or anything bad that's said about me, my mom's getting ready to take out a supari. She's like, बताओ कौन है वो आदमी जो ऐसा बोला है?
So this is Parag Shinde, and the question is, Ahana is truly a gem. What a versatile actor. Hope actresses like this get what they deserve. If people give them enough attention, they'll get paid what they deserve. Are you happy with what you get paid?
Oh my God, Faridun. Put it down, put it down. No such thing as subtlety with Faridun. He gets right to the point. Tell us, Ahana, how much you're getting paid.
This is what your fan is hoping for.
I just think like what happens sometimes is and I found that out actually while doing a show. Like I was doing a show I think last year, and I found out that my male counterpart was getting paid more than me, and I found that out towards the end of the show, and I was like, और वो मतलब like वो conversation suddenly that kind of like came like right, like it was happening right in front of me, and I was like, 1 minute, what, why is he getting paid more than me? We both have like equal role, we both have like equal dates. तो उसने ऐसा क्या झंडे गाड़ लिए जो मैंने नहीं गाड़े हैं? So that was a little like, it was a little shocking back then, but honestly, like right now, I think I am in that space where I'm being able to demand an amount, and that is coming, and and then there are projects when there is no money, and then so you have to just basically balance it out. Sometimes you just have to sell your soul and just do a show because you need the monies. Sometimes you do a show or you do a film where there is no monies, but you want to do the part, or you want to be part of that film, or that production. But I still feel like money is like a huge debate, which is going to be like an ongoing debate for a very long time, because it has just started. Like it's like a little वो थोड़ा shoot निकल रहा है, तो एक पेड़ बनेगा.
No, because all of us have received calls where people are like, hi ma'am, we have this role for you. The first line that follows that is, there are no budgets.
No budget.
This is a question for Tanya. This is Priya Pathak, and it's basically a comment. I came to know about the series after it sparked a controversy over a kissing scene. I didn't find anything wrong in it. Nowadays, people get angry with almost anything. I watched the show and I quite liked it.
Yes. I mean, it's really sad that the takeaway from a brilliant series like that, from such a beautiful piece, I did not really ever consider that. We never even thought of that. But yeah, it's very weird, like what people take away from whatever, because everybody has a weird interpretation, and everybody has everybody has a different perspective of seeing things. So it is a work of fiction, and we never really intend, like, it was never anybody's intention to hurt any like religious sentiments or as such. So we were also very shocked that this was happening. But I mean, I think that I would rather focus on the positives coming from the show and focus on the love that I've been getting, rather than focus on a controversy which brought the show to much more like a bigger platform where everybody was like watching it. Like my parents, I remember I was working on something else, and my parents hadn't watched the show yet. And then my mother just called me up randomly, and she said, "Ki oh, tera show news mein aa raha hai." I'm like, "Oh, okay, cool." And that's it. That was that. The conversation ended there. She was just like, "Ki, it's okay. Don't let things affect you." And because you know in your heart that your intentions were pure and you had a certain thing that you wanted to convey through that, maybe somebody else took a different route to what you wanted to show, and that's all up to you. So yeah, that is, we focus on the positives, we learn, and we move on. That's what we do.
That is so sweet. Yeah, your family is so nice. I was telling Ahana just the other day when we were having a conversation, there is any negative comment or anything bad that's said about me, my mom's getting ready to take out a supari. She's like, बताओ कौन है वो आदमी जो ऐसा बोला है.
All right, and the sort of controversy that erupted when around Suitable Boy recently, does that put pressure on you as an artist that you never know what is it that maybe you may do in a certain creative space, and someone may get offended by that?
We live in a time where there's so much happening and we get to know about everybody's reactions instantaneously. And it's possibly people haven't even had an opportunity to think about how they feel about something. And there is a first response to everything because of the nature of social media and the way we interact with each other. That I feel that, none of us have had the opportunity to really think through what we're putting out there. So there a lot gets spoken about, which is in a way good also. I mean, people are entitled to their own opinion and they must express it in the way that they want to. As long as we are able to have gentle conversations, I'm fine with everybody's point of view. As long as we are allowed to express ourselves in a way that we are not screaming at each other but listening to each other through these conversations. Unfortunately, I haven't seen a lot of that happening on social media. I feel कि जैसे ही आपने कुछ पढ़ा, आपने उसका फर्स्ट रिस्पांस दे दिया और आपको 10 लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया और फिर जो आपसे एग्री नहीं कर रहा है, आप उससे झगड़ा कर रहे हो. But I feel that we should really utilize social media as a space to have conversations rather than make society more polarized than it already is. So I'm okay with everybody's point of view. It's good to know what people are thinking, and there's no reason for me to reject anybody's point of view. I might not agree with it, but I will still listen to it.
Amit Rajput, Flesh, and now Bhag Bhi Bhag. And this is this is where Swara belongs. OTT is a platform where talented people are always appreciated and praised. OTT will do justice to her talent and potential. Hope she chooses right.
शुक्रिया कहना चाहूंगी अमित साहब को. Thank you so much. He's right. I think that's what we've been talking about.
Yeah.
All right. So this is for Sayami. Abbas Samir Sheikh. It's a comment on the trailer of Unpaused. Finally, Sayami is here. OTT पे ही talent की कदर होती है. इनको किसी female cricketer का biopic करना चाहिए.
Thank you, Abbas. मतलब hopefully filmmakers, directors, producers ये भी चाहे, क्योंकि they've got a lot of comments because I love the sport. I keep talking about the sport. So there are people who keep saying that you should do it. अरे मुझे तो करना है भाई, पर कोई बोल दोगे तो I'll do it. But please watch Unpaused on the 18th because it's a very fun film with makers who I absolutely adore, and I think Shreya adores as well, Raj and DK. So it's a very exciting show.
I have a story about your love for cricket also. So Sami and I went out on a date. I should tell people right now. So we were sitting the whole time she ignored me and saw the Mumbai Indians match playing behind me.
No, but I apologize to it. It was a very dear friend of mine who was batting. So, it's like...
No. This is just to tell people that if there's a cricket something, you should be in it. That's what I mean.
All right. Okay. We'll move on to Aditi now. Pratik Patil. If any Marathi person hears the Hyderabadi language like that of Vijay Verma in She, he'll immediately laugh. I'm sure it would have been very difficult for Aditi to perform serious scenes when Vijay was saying those dialogues.
This is funny, sorry. But
you're insulting like half of my lineage, yeah? What the hell?
Well, I think Vijay did the part really well, and of course he's from Hyderabad, but I in fact loved his accent, and I think it very well went with the Marathi and the Hyderabadi, so it didn't make me laugh at all.
So there's one question for you. So this guy's name is Fennel Seta, and so his statement is basically that very often in films, due to lack of time, the first victim of script editing is the woman's character. In the digital space, there is room for multiple characters to flourish. This quote really hit me as I had made a short film 2 years back. and to cut down on the length, I had reduced the role of the female character. There was no sexism involved in my thought process. Nevertheless, your quote opened my eyes, and from that day, I have been very particular about this aspect. Thank you and all the best. So he's a budding filmmaker.
I know.
And
In fact, I met him. I think I met him. We've interacted online several times. You know, there's
I'm sure you
sometimes that that's very sweet. Thank you, Fennel. But and I'm glad something I said resonated with you. I think sometimes we make decisions which are in which we don't sort of realize our prejudice. Because all of us live in a patriarchal society, right? I'm as much a part of a patriarchal society as any other man or woman, you know. So I think once in a while it's good to question your own patriarchy. I think you have to constantly do that, and that's the only way to sort of attempt to break any kind of discrimination. Because it is always subtle. It is not known to even us. We might understand things theoretically and intellectually, but our emotional responses will have elements of the society that we live in.
Okay, this is for Kirti. Kirti has everything: looks, talent, cuteness, hotness. Wanted to see her in a hardcore romantic film. Sometimes I really don't understand why such actresses don't get their due. What the hell
They
are
want to see
filmmakers
you.
actually looking for?
They want to see you in glam roles, Kirti.
They want to see me in a romantic film, sweetheart.
Yeah.
And I would
Hardcore
actually
romantic.
love to. In fact, I love love stories, like hardcore love stories. I love rom-coms. So yes, I think it must be on its way. Yaar. I have given this thought out too much to the universe. So I think maybe this is a sign. But yes, I would love to be doing some of these films. And thank you for. Don't worry, and I just want you to know that we are getting our due. Everyone sitting here, everyone's going to get their due sooner or later, so don't worry about it. All is well.
All right, so this is for Shreya Dhanvantri. Anish Gupta. It is a comment on our rapid fire that we did with Shreya recently. I don't think Shreya को इस role के लिए ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी होगी. Just look at the way she is talking. She's actually like Sucheta Dalal in her real life. वैसे ये role का effect भी हो सकता है.
Now, you should meet Sucheta Dalal in real life. She will take it as an insult if you compare her to me. Please don't do that. The woman is really accomplished. She's a Padma Shri award-winning journalist. She does not speak the way I do. She does not make inappropriate comments about beautiful women like I do. She doesn't say all these random jokes and incidents as I do. She's actually a very accomplished person, and I and she are nothing alike, and it would be an insult to the wonderful woman that she is. But thank you. Thank you.
Shreya, you are like full of self-deprecating jokes. Like,
I am, right?
Like, why? Yeah, man.
Next
you are
time
as accomplished.
I'll start making arrogant jokes.
You are as accomplished, and you are. I mean, you don't even have to like.
I'll work on that.
Just be aware of the number of jokes you crack on yourself and these kinds.
Shreya, take the pointers down. कि यार मुझे क्या करना है.
Yeah. Already.
All right, so thank you very much to all of you. Lovely talking to you, and all the best wishes for future. And congratulations for having a wonderful 2020 at a time when most of the people they've had a tough time. So thank you very much, and all the best wishes. Thank you.